Virla Gold steel plant is well equipped with cutting-edge technologies and high-tech machinery. With the first ever, most advanced straight-line single-pass 18-stand roll mill, gives perfect and uniform ribs and exactly same girth at any point or length of our TMT bar. And billet charging system with a reheating furnace for heating up to 130 tons of billets with ultra-modern technology. A completely motorized cooling bed. Straight TMT bars are perfectly cooled for optimal performance. To ensure the quality of the TMT bars, TMT bars are quenched using German Thermax technology to ensure quality, and the manufacture of Virla Gold is overseen by a highly qualified team of professionals and technocrats.